Get this amazing reward for free today. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure guys you check UFO 187 English Masterclass for more interesting content and more interesting guides. All you need to do, just open your Discord today like me and move here to Discover, scroll here to Quests and you will see here Dead by Daylight The Walking Dead quest. Claim an entity avatar decoration. Just play Dead by Daylight for 50 minutes to get this free avatar decoration on your Discord profile. Click here Accept Quest and you will see this progress. Move here Select Platform to get started and click Quest on Desktop. If you don't have game, go on these vertical dots and you will see Get Game. Click on it and you will see this on your browser. You can download game on Steam and Epic Game Store. Get game, install game, play for 50 minutes and make sure you accepted the quest and your Discord is open. In game you will see this progress is going. Just finish playing 50 minutes game to get this avatar decoration for free. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward avatar decoration for your Discord profile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.